Bafethu, welcome to another beautiful, fun and exciting episode of Cast Tints and Class. And I'm your nice, good, beautiful, great fan host, NKUPI entertainer. Vora. Hambane, vora. Look at the sign. NKUPI way. The sign is now NKUPI way. It's 9RV. 9RV is the name of the car. 9RV. Nothing defines a VR6 like this rims. You can have it all you like, but if it's not having these rims, it's not yet a VR6. You are driving a Sly. Whatever you want to say you're driving, just don't call it a VR6. VR6 has these rims. Guys, tonight we're just chilling, but tomorrow we're gonna make sure that we close out the front. After finishing the pipe work, you're gonna love this car. I'm telling you now. Now let me get my key. I mean, I don't know. Don't know what to say I'm gonna do to the car, but if you just stay tuned. You will end up seeing what I'm going to do to my Vora. And there's this question I wanted to ask you guys. Let's go to the car. That nice view I love. You see this view? When I approach my car, what I see when I approach my car, this view is priceless. Guys, I wanted to ask you something. With the shade I put that side, doesn't this car look like it's tinted? Doesn't it look tinted? Mm-hmm. Where's that guy off? Shy convoy. Bamba. Pity bama. Mangalela ma. It's all out. Papa tell that sort. It looks tinted because the light should be coming in on that side, but it's been blocked. It's been blocked by that black. See the black that we have added there? It's the black we have added there. It's the one which is blocking. The sun in the car looks tinted. Should I tint it? I love it when my picture has this BMW piece showing off. See when my pictures are like this. See when my pictures are like this. Dream garage. Dream garage. Tomorrow I'm putting on the front. I want to put the dream garage cars. Tomorrow I'm putting on the front so the dream garage cars can sit together here. This one is my best build in the world. Guys, you see, if I jagger, and look how it is. I must be patient. This is an IS. Can't build an IS like a Golf 1. Can't be in a hurry while building an IS. An IS will take time. And you better accept that an IS will take time. Even this one didn't take much time. This guy bought it last year. Well, how is it? Sure. Even this one, I bought it last year around June. I bought this one around June. And then from this one, June, July, August, right there. Now, it's already running. So, give yourself time, boy. Guys, this car. This one is going to be an IS, guys. If I don't build an IS now, I'll never build an IS. Where am I going to get another two-door body looking so fresh? Just a two-door sunroof. I can't waste this and just take people's ideas. I have an idea why I bought this car. I wanted to build an IS. So this thing of me making it about also, it's people's ideas, not mine. And they are talking from their pockets. And their time frame which they set. People can have time frames for you. They can just see you building a car and say, this one I want to see it running by, without even consulting you or asking you what do you need for this car to run by. No, they just have that date in their heads and they're gone. Whether you like it or not, that's just people. And then when they see you not meeting the target, they come and pressurize you, as if they told you that this date we're gonna have to finish the car in like this, like that. They just come with pressure only. Their time is pressure. So let's just say we know people are that way, and there's nothing we can do. So then I'm going to take my time here, build my nice car. So it's going to be an IS, just going to be a normal car. But then I drive it. It's not going to be a normal car, it's going to be an IS. Then I drive it. Now, next step, I just want to buy the adapter plates so that I can wear those rims And after the adapter plates, I will put in tires on those rims, BMW rims, and that's it. This pity bamba. So